Number 7, AMZ, Amazon as a seller. We check on a listing that how many times Amazon is there in this specific niche, how many listing Amazon has listed, how many products Amazon has listed in that specific niche against that specific keyword. If Amazon has listed more than 3 times, so hey, Amazon has decided that I will not let any other one to enter this niche. This is my niche, and I should tell you at the start that 5 to 7 murders are allowed for Amazon. They can do anything. They can beat you because they are so much. They are having so much margin. They do not have to pay the FBA fees and so many things. So you cannot beat them. And in case if they have Amazon has more than 3 listings, so it means that that niche has been taken down by Amazon, and we should not enter such a kind of niche. It's really risky for us then. So we keep an eye on this 7 number term, Amazon as a seller, so that Amazon is a seller there or not, we have to check that as well.